get started. Today's is a very quick video. I am showing you how I decorated very quick a candle I needed for Mother's Day. So I just took some classic wax candle and one napkin, and I am melting the napkin into the wax with my heat gun, and I am going through sections. And since this napkin didn't go around my candle on the other side, I am decorating it with a stencil and some acrylic paint, and for this you need a brush which is flat. And then as you can see, I am going in some places with my paint, and then I let it all dry. And I didn't go everywhere because I didn't want this image to be on the whole candle. So here it is, and then I just put my trusted decoupage glue onto it and I let the glue dry. This was really merely for the shimmer effect of my candle, and then I let the glue of course dry and making sure there is no excess of the glue. And to make sure my candle is nice and shiny, I am using my pouring glaze for this, and I am applying it everywhere. Just make sure you don't touch it because you can still ruin your design, especially the acrylic one, not so much the napkin one because that one is sealed. And here it is all finished, a cute little candle I made for Mother's Day for my aunt. It was very quick and didn't took me even a half an hour. So until next time, bye.